Hi people, what's up? Good afternoon, or good evening, or good morning. Okay, you can check this. I will make a test or make a video, explain who is possible, make a farm. Uh, it's necessary to take a lot of control. It is productions. Uh, Production without need to login to put some electricity, put full oil on the generator and other. Okay, you can check this is my farm level. uh, with this level I have uh, okay, you can check this. All these my farms. uh, okay. Okay, this all this is my farm. This is my principal account. You can check. Okay, the big problem of a farm is to have the consumption of the electricity, and if you don't have electricity, the production is reduced and others. Okay, now I have a positive production. You can check this, but I don't have any of production of money. I do this. All this is out. You see, this is out. Okay, this is out. Water, this is out. Is necessary to do to have here. You can check this is a positive uh, electricity production. This is necessary to have here. Okay, you can check. Of this is disconnect only have only disconnect only necessary production. The necessary production is off. I move a lot of builds. I connect. I connect these two. Okay, you can check. I have a production of this. I have a positive electricity, and I take this, move here, and this move here, and check. It's okay. I have a positive production, and make this, and you have a farm with a complete function. Is necessary to log in and put electricity only, attack and get out all resource here. Any. Okay people, it's all. Thank you, bye bye.